Very good morning, students. Myself Akshay Zavre, MSc Pediatrics. Here I am dealing with your subject fundamental foundation of nursing. In that I am having the unit bowel elimination. So today it's my first lecture that we are starting with the bowel elimination. As we know that what is bowel and what is the elimination means that excretion of a waste product from the body simply. So we will see what is the definition of the elimination. So elimination is a complete removal or destruction of something, okay, or the expulsion of a waste from body is known as elimination. Means the product which is waste in our body, which is produced by food or which is produced by the digestion, that produce material is excreted from the body through the certain body parts is called as the elimination. Okay, means the wastage from the body is excreted, it is called as the elimination. Then what is the bowel elimination? We will see the definition of the bowel elimination. So here it is also known as the defecation, what we can call as defecation, defecation, defecation. Elimination and defecation are the similar words. Okay, so bowel elimination is a natural process critical to human functioning in which body excretes waste products of digestion. It is essential component of the health body functioning. It is called as the defecation or bowel elimination. So in other words, what we can say, what is the defecation? Also defecation we can call as the bowel elimination. It is the act of expelling the feces or stool from the body. Okay, what is defecation? Defecation, it is the act of expelling or act of removal of feces or stool from the body. Simple. To do so, all the structures of the gastrointestinal tract, especially the components of the large intestine, must function in a coordinated manner. Okay, so as we know what is the defecation, it is the act of removal of waste products from the body or act of expelling the feces or stool from the body. For this purpose, our gastrointestinal tract should be a normal, it should be normally working, there should not be any disease condition. If this, then our bowel elimination is the normal. Okay, so as we know what is the elimination or what is the defecation or what is the bowel elimination. So we'll see next what is the review. We'll just shortly we see the review of physiology of a bowel elimination. So here for the bowel elimination, the system which works for this is the gastrointestinal system or gastrointestinal tract system. So what is the GI tract? As we have know, it is starting from the mouth, esophagus, our intestine, rectum, anus, etc. So you will see that in the anatomy what is the GI system. So GI tract also known as the alimentary canal. It is also called as the alimentary canal. It is a hollow muscular tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. Okay, it is a hollow muscular tube that extends from the mouth to the anus. Okay, that called as the alimentary canal. Then food is broken down into the stomach in a semi-solid masses called chyme. Okay, food is broken down in the stomach into a semi-liquid mass called chyme. Chyme leaves the stomach and enter into the small intestine. What? Chyme leaves the stomach and enter into the small intestine, which is divided into three parts. Okay, so as you have seen in the 12th standard that our intestine having the three parts, that is the duodenum. Okay, so what is the duodenum? It is 10 inches long. It is the first part of the stomach which receives the bile and pancreatic enzymes. Then jejunum, it mixes with the digestive enzyme and most nutrients are absorbed, and ileum absorbed chyme enters in the intestine through the ileum. Okay, so what we should know regarding the stomach, that stomach having the three parts, that is the duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay, what is the duodenum? Duodenum is the 10 inches long, receives the bile and pancreatic enzyme. Jejunum, it mixes with the digestive enzyme and most nutrients are absorbed here. And ileum, last part, that is the absorbed chyme enters in the intestine through the ileum. And through the large intestine and colon, chyme expels out from the body through the anus. Okay, what happens here? Through the large intestine and colon, chyme expel out the body through the anus. It is a defecation, complete process of the defecation. Whatever the food material or digested wastage are in the stomach, that are expelled through the anus. Okay, where the GI tract starts, it starts from the mouth, and where it ends at the anus. This is the picture of the digestive system. It will just have a short look over that. It starts from the here mouth, then esophagus. This is the next long structure here, that is we see as the esophagus. Then stomach, then next part is here the small intestine, that is a small bowel, large intestine, rectum and anus. This is the picture of the digestive system. The process of the defecation, we'll see the what is the process of defecation or how it works. Okay, so how the process starts for defecation, we will see in a simple way here, as we have seen this already. Here the term peristalsis, we should know regarding the peristalsis. What is the peristalsis? So peristalsis means the rhythmic contraction of intestinal smooth muscles. Peristalsis means the rhythmic contractions of intestinal smooth muscles that facilitate defecation. Okay, that facilitate defecation, movement of a bowel. Okay, also it means that it is a rhythmic contraction and relaxation, contraction of, that what is the contraction, what is the relaxation. Okay, so here the peristalsis means the rhythmic contractions of intestinal smooth muscles that facilitate defecation, okay, movement of a bowel. The next, what the peristalsis moves fiber, water and nutritional waste along the ascending, transverse, descending and sigmoid colon towards the rectum. Actually, before going to this chapter, we have to read something regarding the digestive system or GI tract, because this chapter is totally related to the GI system or gastrointestinal system. You should have the base regarding the GI system. After the getting some knowledge regarding the GI system, you will came to know regarding this topic. So next is the peristalsis become even more active during eating. Okay. Peristalsis becomes even more active during the eating, because there is a active process of the peristalsis during the eating. Then next, factors promoting for bowel elimination. So what are the factors that are promotes the bowel elimination? Okay, what are the factors those promotes the bowel elimination? So here, first factor, that is the stress-free environment. Actually, what is the factors promoting bowel elimination means, which are those things that will help in the normal bowel elimination, that will helps you to get the normal bowel elimination. Okay, so first is the stress-free environment. See, if you are working in the stress-free environment, you are not having any kind of a tension, any kind of a depression, any kind of a mental stress, then you will get the normal bowel elimination. If you are getting the any kind of a stress, any kind of a tension in your daily routine, then automatically it will affect on your bowel elimination. You will get the bowel elimination problems that we are going to see in the next topic. Then high fiber diet. Next is the high fiber diet. See, for the process of the defecation or elimination or excretion, you need the high fiber diet, because it will due to the high fiber diet your stool will pass easily through the alimentary canal or alimentary tract. So what is the high fiber diet? It, like example is the banana, or what we call is um, uh, banana or orange. These are the fruits which contains the high fiber in their consistency. So you have to eat like these fibers, or you can eat the spinach, you can eat the uh, which the fruit which like papaya, it will having the high fiber. Then normal fluid intake. See, for the normal bowel elimination or for normal elimination, you have to drink more than the 3 liters of water, because for normal functioning of the body minimum 3 liters of water it's required for 24 hours. You can drink more also. So it is a very important that you have to take minimum 3 liters of water. Then exercise is very important for the normal peristalsis movements, as well as the our activities of daily living, because exercise gives the strengthening or normal functioning over our muscles. If you are doing this exercise daily, then it will automatically affect on your bowel elimination, because it gives the strength to your muscles. It gives normal functioning to your muscles. So exercise is very important for the normal bowel elimination. Squatting positions. Yes, in the first picture you are seeing that is it is a squatting position. If you are doing this position or this we can say is exercise, that will affect on your bowel elimination. It will give you normal bowel elimination. Then laxatives are the word which is new to you, as you are seeing in this picture. First, what is the laxatives actually one kind of a drug that helps you to get a normal bowel elimination or normal defecation. It will help you into the normal elimination of a feces or stool. It is a laxative. These are the tablets, or what we can call as the, it is the drugs which are helpful for the normal elimination or defecation. So as we have seen, these are the pictures which factors promoting the bowel elimination. So you have to keep remember that what are the factors that helpful for the normal bowel elimination. So as we have seen, it is the stress free environment, high fiber diet, then next normal fluid intake, exercise, squatting position, then the laxatives. So these are the normal things which can help to normal bowel elimination. Then next we will see it is the factors impaired elimination. Okay, factors eliminate elimination. As that word says that the which the factors, or what are the things that affect on your elimination, means the factors which are get barrier in your normal elimination, or the factors which not good for your health. Okay, so what are those? The first is the emotional stress. See, during the time of exam, during the time of any kind of stress, if you are having the emotional stress, it will affect on your bowel elimination. I'm having the examples of some of my life experiences, that some of my friend who have who are having the emotional stress because of the exam, they gets the diarrhea. Okay, means if we are having the exam at 10 o'clock, the day before that, on that day itself he gets the diarrhea because of only emotional stress. Okay, means your emotional stress directly affect over the your bowel elimination. Then lack of time means your hectic day or your hectic schedule regarding you are having the busy job, See the peoples of a metropolitan city, or our nurses, our doctors who are working in the COVID centers now, or who are working in the ICU setup, or who are having the extra work in their daily schedule, they are having the problems of bowel elimination because of the lack of time. Then high fat diet. See, uh, the peoples who are eating the more fatty diets, like the peoples who are eating the chicken, mutton, peanuts, or the food which are containing the high fat diet, so they are having the problems in the bowel elimination. Okay, so they cannot pass the food easily. That is the main thing, that the people who are eating the more chicken, more mutton, or who are taking the excessive eggs in their diet, or excessive peanuts, or excessive the food which contains the fat, that diet, they are having the problems in their elimination. Then next is the reduced fluid intake. See, the people who are taking the minimum amount of water in their diet, so it will create problem to them. So the people who are taking the less than the 3 liters of water. Okay, I have some experience that some people are taking the only 1 or 1.5 liters of water in their 24 hours. So they are having the problems in their urinary tract or in their GI tract. Okay, it will directly affect on their GI system, and it will create the elimination problems to them. Then inability to squat. It is a position in which we can say it as it is an Indian style toilet. uh, there are the two things are there in the toilet. We are having the one is the western toilet, and one is the Indian toilet. So it is a position in the Indian toilet that we are sitting in squat positioning. So if the any peoples or who are not able to sit properly, so the peoples who are not able to sit properly, then automatically they will have the problems in their bowel elimination. Then use of narcotics, antibiotics. Okay, use of narcotics or antibiotics. So the people who are having taking the narcotic drugs or antibiotic drugs. So narcotic drug, it is the, you will see in the psychiatric, in third year we see what is the narcotic drugs, but it is the antibiotics. You know that the what are the antibiotic medications. If you are taking the any kind of higher antibiotics, then it will directly affect on your digestive tract or bowel elimination, that will affect you for the constipation. So we are going to see what is the constipation, what are the problems comes due to these factors. So see, what are the things which we have seen here are the factors impaired elimination. So we have seen the emotional stress, lack of time, then the high fat diet, reduced fluid intake, the inability to squat, use of narcotics or antibiotics. They are the factors which are affect over your body for the bowel elimination. So next is the assessment of bowel elimination. What is the assessment of bowel elimination? See, assessment is the kind of collecting the information regarding the subject and objective data, like. Okay, so in the assessment, what we are doing, we are finding the new things, or we are doing the examination. So what is the assessment of bowel elimination? So here, elimination patterns. Okay, because of various elimination patterns can be normal, it is essential to determine the client's usual patterns, including the characteristics, frequency of elimination, effort required to expel stool, and what elimination aids, if any, he or she uses. Okay, so here is a chart which says will say you what is a normal stool, or what is a normal bowel elimination. Here, if you are taking the characteristics of the stool, so what is the normal and what is the abnormal. Here are the three columns. Here, what's first is say there are two, one is the normal and one is the abnormal. See the color. So in the color, the normal color of the stool is the brown. If what will say you that abnormal color? So abnormal may be, it may be black or clay color, that is a tan color. Okay, then yellow color, green color, these are the uh, color of a stool which says that is some kind of a disorders or some kind of a disease. The next order, so here the normal bowel, so normal stool will have only aromatic order, and in the abnormal stool there should be a foul smelling, stool. Then consistency, in the normal stool there is the soft and firm stool is there, but in the abnormal there is the soft, bulky, hard, dry, watery, like the stool is there, means it is not a soft and firm, well formed. Then the shape, as we all know what is the shape of the stool, that is a round and full, but in the abnormal stool there may be the, it is unformed, flat, pencil shaped, like stone like in size. So in the components, it is a undigested fiber is there. Okay, what is that? Undigested fiber, you know that is the normal stool components, but in the abnormal there may be the worms, blood, pus, mucus, so it may be the abnormal. See, and you will get the terms, medical terms, like what will say the black stool, what will say to the blood in the stool. So you will let you know, you will get in the next lectures that what is the terms for that. So after this we have completed only regarding the mostly regarding the our normal physiology of the bowel elimination. Now we are having the common alteration in the bowel elimination. Common alterations in the bowel elimination means we are having the, there are some of like 5 things are there which are the common alteration in the bowel elimination. So as you are seeing the first, that is the constipation. Already so much you will have the so much knowledge regarding the what is the constipation or fecal impaction, then flatulence, diarrhea, and fecal incontinence. So these are the 5 common alterations in the bowel elimination that we have to study. So these are very important, and we have to see also that the what are the treatment for this also. We'll very shortly we'll see what is the treatment for this. Here we are having the first term is the constipation. Just keep remember that what are the common alterations of the bowel elimination is that normally constipation, fecal impaction, flatulence, diarrhea, and fecal incontinence. So we have to study one by one. Actually today in this slide only we are completing this because of it takes more time to upload on WhatsApp or YouTube, so we are taking this part only. The next constipation, fecal impaction, flatulence, diarrhea, and fecal incontinence we are going to see in the next video. This will take a one review of that, what are the things which we have completed till now. So we have started with the elimination. What is the definition of the elimination? Elimination is a complete removal or destruction of something, or the expulsion of a waste from the body is known as the elimination. This is the elimination. So you have to write down the definition of elimination. Then next, definition of the bowel elimination. So it is also known as a defecation, which we can call it as the defecation also to the bowel elimination. So bowel elimination is a natural process critical to human functioning in which body excretes waste products of the digestion. It is essential component of the healthy body functioning. Or defecation is the act of the expelling feces, stool from the body. Then we have seen the physiology of the elimination. Then process of defecation we have seen. Peristalsis, what is the peristalsis? Also we have seen that is the rhythmic contraction in intestinal smooth muscle that facilitates the defecation. Then we have seen the factors promoting for the bowel elimination. Then we have seen the factors impaired elimination. Then we have seen the assessment of the bowel elimination. This is the characteristics of the bowel. Then last point that we are going to see in next video, that is the common alteration in the bowel elimination. So this will deal in next video. till I hope so everyone has understood regarding the all the topics which we have covered in this video. If anyone have any problems in regarding this lecture or regarding this ppt, you can contact me. Just take down the notes from the started from first slide, that what is the elimination, or what is the defecation, what is the physiology of the defecation, that all points write on your notes. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.